What is up, you guys? Crystal and Gerbil here. Today we are playing some Birds of Steel. I decided to be a little weird and do this. I have 2 torpedoes, and guess what we're gonna become? A PT boat. Right there. Get a little bit of zoom. There we go. So I found out this is a much better way to record my videos if I ever want to record on the PS3, since I don't have a screen recorder of any kind on it. So this is gonna be PBY Adventures. I chose a very poor weather to do it in. Oh my god, this quality. I'm looking at my camera, or my phone actually, as I'm playing, and the quality isn't that bad. I remember before it was really bad. That's probably because it's a dark day and I chose to make it a dark mission. Okay, let's become a PT boat. So how you want to do this is that you want to crash your aircraft into the ocean. I'm just kidding. First off, the PBY is a boat plane. Or essentially, it is a it's trying to get yourself out in the water without dying. Shit, up. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. There we go. We made it on the water successfully. Now let's get those engines running. 54%. See if we can do it. Yep, we're still alone, only playing against AI. Oh shit, it's kind of scary to be honest. It may not look like it on the camera, but it is kind of scary because you can't see more than a few meters in front of you. What the fuck? Yo, they fired something. What the fuck are you guys fire at? Oh shit, I'm going full whip. You don't want to go full whip. I did that earlier. Yeah, I got myself killed. Never go full throttle. Never go full retard either. Hi Cat, how are you doing? There we go, enemy fleet incoming. So we're just gonna speed up a bit. We're gonna begin takeoff. Come on, let's get off the water. Let's get off the water. Get off the water. God damn it. Yeah, nope, we're not off yet. Not off yet. Come on. Full throttle. Oh shit. For fuck's sake. Okay, fuck that. F4 Corsair. 2 bombs. Let's go. No, like 2 bombs and a couple 50 cals to win the war. My god, this weather sucks. Hey boys, how you guys doing? Okay, later guys. I don't know why I made plays now. Why do they look so much closer? They're like 7 kilometers away. They should be like nothing. Okay, this guy obviously is closer. So I'm gonna take him out before I go. Or as I go. What? He's right here. Sick of that. Yeah, he's right here. He's a bastard. Get off my friendly. Oh, wait, he died. Come on, 50 cals. 50 calibers of freedom. Ah, oh, shit, never mind. $5 worth of taxpayer money. A second. I'm not even joking. 50 caliber bullet costs $5 to make. That's $5 of taxpayer money. Oh shit! I don't know why I pulled up. I shouldn't have pulled up, but I survived. I got really close. We're back. Sorry, I had to text someone. Hey, cats. My cats are doing something. Oh shit, what the fuck? Did I completely over miss the target? Cat, don't jump on the chair. I'm recording with it. And bomb away. Oh shit! Bomb away! Ow. So that happened. Let's do it again. Yeah, but this time I'm going to choose a different aircraft. We're way Avenger. We'll go with an Avenger with torpedo. Multiple 50 cal. Why? Because 50 caliber is freedom. Holy Jesus. Just so you guys know, this plane is big in real life. This is a massive aircraft. It's not a bomber. Well, I mean, yeah, it is technically a bomber, dive bomber, or torpedo bomber. Although it is a torpedo bomber, it's massive. It's an absolutely massive aircraft. It has, I think, 4 crew members. Let me see. Yeah, because there's the guy in the turret, there's 2 right there, there's the pilot and the bombardier, or co-pilot, and, yeah, and then there's the bottom gunner. The belly gunner. So, yeah, it's a 4-man aircraft. You can't quite see them all, but, you know, they're there. They are there. Oh, you can actually see the guy, I think. Yeah, right there. No, I know. No, it's sure empty. What the hell? Either way, it's a 4-man crew. Too high. Too high. Oh, we have machine guns? I just realized we have front-facing machine guns on our wings. We have fixed machine guns on our wings. Okay, let's go dogfight. Eat 50 cal jab. Asshole. He didn't die to 50 calibers of freedom. I'm a little sick. But don't mind me. Carrier. Okay, just approach from the right. We'll approach from the right and attack there. Also, I'm playing Bird of Steel on my PS3. Now that I got my controller working and everything. Yeah. Let's see, we're 3 kilometers off. 2 kilometers. Let's begin a dive. Dive. All hands to your battle stations. In the world war. Wait, to their own shores. In the world war. I'm leading the US. Come on. Yes! Direct hit. That made a splash. Woo! Oh shit. Birds of Steel, everybody. See you guys in the next one, I guess. That was actually kind of fun. Yeah. I died 2 times and got 0 plane kills. Great. See you guys in the next one.